I don't think you underestimate the Western people when you say that, because I don't think all of them see it as fact.
No, but the ultimate impression which is precipitated after reading the book for a person who does not know the facts of history is very damaging and very negative as far as the image of Islam is concerned. So that is what I know from my personal experience. I have met those people who have read this book and they were left with a similar impression.
Have you read the book yourself?
I have read it in those passages which were presented to me for special attention, because I didn't have time to go through the whole book and also didn't have the patience because it's so much hurting.
Yeah, but condemn him, yes, but sentence him to death.
No, yes, that's right. Condemn not only Muslims. I believe that every decent man on earth should condemn this attempt to malign others, to use filthy, abusive, obnoxious language against such people who are held in high esteem by 1 billion people in the world. So in the name of decency, this must be condemned and roundly condemned. But there is no punishment in Islam for any such offenses.
And I understand you also condemn the language used in Iran, for instance, kill the Americans.
Of course, of course. We stand for justice and fair play.
Yeah.
This is what Islam has taught us. So even if a friend makes a mistake, we must censure him as well.
How come all the Muslims haven't discovered that yet?
Some of them have, but their voice is not carried on to you. Like I'm traveling and making contacts widely in the world, most of the Muslim leaders are not doing it. They should have done it. I know the majority of Muslims do not agree with Khomeini's edict against Salman Rushdie that he has forfeited his right to live. But they have no voice.